get you some. Oh yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow.
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, I'm a little bit excited today. So Peter has been a long time subscriber and he sent me this recipe and today we're going to give it a crack. Bush donuts. So first thing we need to do is get a frying pan and we need to put 2 centimeters of vegetable oil in there. We now want to turn it on and heat it up and we want the oil hot. So on my electric stove top, I'm going to put it on 4. We need a plate with some paper towel and a metal egg flip. Next we're going to need some cinnamon sugar to dip them in. So I'm just going to put a bit of caster sugar in a bowl. And I'm just going to put a pinch of cinnamon in and mix that through with a fork. Now we need 4 slices of bread, the thicker the better. And we need strawberry jam. Now we want to spread it on nice and thick. Alright, and then cover that one over. And then do the same with the second one. Once we've done that, we now want to cut them in quarters. Now we need an original pancake mix. And on the back, we've got the water level up here, but we want to do it a bit less. So I'm going to do it up to where this original is written. Then we need to shake the shit out of it. Once we've done that, we now want to pour it into a bowl. Alright, once our oil is hot, we want to coat our sandwiches. So I'm just going to do it this way. Go by edges first. Then I'm going to set it in. Flip it over with a fork. Lift it up. Okay, in it goes. I'm just going to do one. Just on camera. Alright, so we want to cook it from 1 to 1.5 minutes on either side. Alright, because I'm using a cast iron pan, after about 30 seconds, I'm just going to loosen it off the bottom. Okay, 1.5 minutes later, I'll flip that over. Ooh, look at that! Yeah, definitely 1.5 minutes each side until golden brown. Wow, Peter, they look awesome. Look at that. Okay, off it comes. Alright, while they're cooking, we'll just go to this first lot. So I'm just going to push them down into our cinnamon sugar. Mate. Alright, they've cooled down a bit because I've got sidetracked. Can we see that? Oh my god. Taste it. Oh, that's hot. I can't thank you enough, Peter. It is one of the best things I think I've ever made. I absolutely love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As far as I'm concerned, bush donuts are the best thing since sliced bread. Alright, I made an extra, like 1 sandwich, an extra 4 donuts. So it made 12 easy. Now when Peter gave me this recipe, he said go for it and do your Aussie girl thing with it. And I've got to tell you, I have got a million things going through my head. So if it works out properly, I reckon we might just have a bush donut week. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't believe how easy that is. I can't believe how awesome that will be at home or camping. Gotta give them a crack. Have an awesome day and I'll be back real soon. Toodles!